Okay, for this video, we're gonna use our 5mm crochet hook. Orange yarn and green for the stamp. You can use round for the stamp if you like. All right, we're gonna start with a magic circle. I'm gonna chain one to kind of lock that in. Gonna close my circle a little bit, and then we're going to single crochet 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We close the ring, and we're going to slip stitch on the first single crochet that we did. Okay, we're gonna chain 1, and we're going to increase all the way around. So we go to the first stitch, single crochet. I'm gonna insert my stitch marker. Okay, and then we do another single crochet on the same space, and then on the next one, another increase, and then on the next one, another increase, next one, increase, next one, increase, and then on the last stitch, another increase. Whoop. And we slip stitch on the first single crochet. We should have 12 stitches. We remove the stitch marker. We chain 1, and then we're going to single crochet on the next stitch, place our stitch marker. On the next stitch, we're going to increase. So there's 1 and 2, and then on the next one, we're gonna single crochet. On the next stitch, we're gonna increase, and we're gonna repeat that all the way around. On the last stitch, we should end up with a increase, and then we slip stitch on the first single crochet. Okay, and then for the next round, we chain 1, single crochet on the first stitch, okay, we single crochet on the next stitch, and we increase on the next. Okay, we single crochet on the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, and then we increase on the next. And we're just gonna repeat that all the way around, and you should finish with an increase and then slip stitch on the first chain on the first single crochet. Okay, for the next round, we're basically gonna repeat the same thing. We're just going to single crochet on 3 stitches and then increase. So we chain 1, we single crochet on the first stitch. So we put our marker and then we single crochet on the next 2 stitches. 1, 2, and then we increase. Single crochet on the next 3 stitches. So there's 1, 2, and 3. We increase and we'll just repeat that all the way around. Okay, so for the next one, same thing. We're going to chain 1, single crochet on the next 4 stitches and then increase, and then single crochet on the next 4 stitches and then increase, and repeat that all the way around until we get to the end. You finish up with a slip stitch on the first single crochet, and for the last round it's gonna be a chain 1, single crochet on the next 5 stitches and then increase, single crochet on the next 5 stitches and then increase, and repeat that all the way around until we get to the end. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my last 2 rounds and then I'll be right back. All right, I just finished my last 2 rounds with the increasing part. So now to finish this off and make it look more circular like this one, we're just gonna do a last round with single crochet. So we chain 1 and we just single crochet all the way around. Okay, once we get to the end, slip stitch on the first single crochet. So we can cut our yarn and you can start hiding your tails. All right, and this is what we have. Now to make the stem, we're gonna get the green color or brown, whatever color you're using. I'm going to insert my hook on any of the stitches, insert my yarn, chain 1, and I'm going to single crochet on the next 2 stitches, and as I'm single crocheting, I'm gonna hide this tail right here. Okay, so there's 1 and 2. We chain 1, we turn our work. I'm gonna keep grabbing the tail as I go. Okay, so on the first single crochet, we single crochet, and then another single crochet on the next stitch. Okay, so that's 2 rows. We chain 1, turn our work, and then I'm gonna keep grabbing my tail. We single crochet on the first single crochet on the first stitch, and then another single crochet on the other stitch. Okay, here I'm just gonna leave my tail there and I'm gonna trim it. We chain 1, we turn around, and we're gonna skip the first stitch and we're gonna go directly to the last one, and we're just going to slip stitch. Okay, we cut our yarn And there it is. This is, and then just hide your tails, of course. This is a really quick and easy pumpkin coaster if you don't want to put like too much effort into a like really detailed like coaster or pumpkin. Yeah, so then we cut our tails, and that's it. There's our little coaster. If you want them bigger, you just keep so we stopped at 5 single crochets and then increase. So if you want it bigger, you can keep going after that one. But yeah, so this is the end of the video. I hope this was really easy to follow. If it is, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I see you on my next video.
I'm hooked on a feeling, stitched in the glow of cozy little moments only makers know. From granny squares to midnight seams, crochet's my quiet kind of dream, threading love through every row. I'm hooked on the feeling, I'll never let go.